Okay, another thing I wanted to show you here on evaluate radical evaluate radical expressions challenge. This is a complicated move. People are used to doing it one way, where if you have two things that are multiplied underneath a radical, you can break up the radical um, and cube root each of the two things being multiplied. But here, what we're actually want to do is go the other way. And this will remind you, it's like you can factor out, if this is multiplication, you can factor out the radical. So let's look at my solution over here. I just did this on my office board. I can, if we have the cube root of 3 and the cube root of 3 and they're being multiplied together, I can actually, if you can think of it as factoring out a cube root of 3 and then multiply the two things underneath a single cube root of 3, okay? And that will give us negative 27. And then you might either know this or kind of evaluate it on your calculator and get negative 3. But the key tricky move here is seeing that you can, actually just factor, it's like factoring out this radical of 3. So now this is addition, you couldn't do that, but since it's multiplication, you can. So I hope that helps a little bit. The same would be true if this was negative 54 to the 1/3 and 1/2 to the 1/3. You can factor out the exponent.